Welcome to Ricketts Glen State Park. Today we're going to be hiking the Falls Trail. So it's about a little over 7 miles and we're supposed to see 21 waterfalls. We've been on this trail for about a minute and we already arrived at our first waterfall. We made it to Murray Reynolds Falls. Tucker and Chase are having a great time chasing waterfalls so far. The next waterfall was only a little bit further. We just made it to Sheldon Reynolds Falls. Hi puppies! Here's a really cool view from the top of the waterfall. So many waterfalls. These dogs are gonna kill us. They want to go like 90 miles an hour up these very wet stairs. That's a cool view. We made it to the next waterfall. We're trying to find the sign so we could tell you guys the name, but we're not seeing it, but it's pretty awesome.
Okay, so here's a little pro tip from handstands and handcuffs. Go to the bathroom before you do this trail, because these waterfalls will definitely make you want to go. And Chase is making new friends. This is Tuscadera, something.
Gary's always really good with the waterfall pronunciations. It's November 5th, so we're definitely towards the end of the peak fall colors, but we still have some pretty colors around us to enjoy. This tree is like, no, it's still fall. Go ahead, Tuck. How do you guys like the waterfalls so far? Are they good? You like them, Chase?
Note to self, if you like the Stairmaster at the gym, you will love this trail. And I apologize for the jerking, but that's Tucker pulling me up the side of the waterfall.
We are standing at the base of Ganoga Falls, which is the tallest waterfall in the park. I'm pretty sure it's 94 feet high, so it is pretty incredible. Go ahead, Chase. Here's a look from the top of the waterfall. Everywhere you turn on this trail, there's another waterfall. Somebody's gonna need a bath when we get home. Here.
So we're at Midway Crevasse.
According to Gary, we're at Midway Crevasse. So I'm pretty sure that sign means we are halfway done. He put the emphasis on the wrong syllable. Tucker! Are you guys having fun so far?
So I think this is Onondaga. Or Onondaga. Onondaga?
Whenever we go on a hike, Tucker turns into a parkour champion of the world. We're about 5 miles in right now, so we have a little over 2 miles to go. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. We're definitely starting to see more people on the trail, and it's a Thursday, so I definitely recommend doing this trail during the week because I can imagine on the weekends it must get pretty crowded. We're at 5.7 miles, so we're getting close to the beginning again. I would just like to point out that we're at almost 7 miles right now. 6.41, I'm sorry. And both of our dogs are still pulling. So if you want a hiking buddy, get a husky. 7.22 miles, still hanging on to those fall colors.